Hi friends, welcome you all to Moneymax Academy. Today we are going to learn about shortcuts, control plus special characters. This is the special characters key which is available in the keyboard. We know already there are the numbers are available in the keyboard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now if you click control 1, if you click control 2, okay, now we can get to the use of the shortcut key. Okay, one by one we can see here. Number one, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and then minus symbol. Open the box bracket, semicolon, colon. This is what we are going to learn today. Now, one by one we can see now. Clear? Now, what is the formula? For example, you have the data 10 plus 10 plus 10. This is the data available. For example, if we want to see the formula, show or hide formula mean you can see here. If you see directly here, 30 will be the answer. But if you see the formula bar, you can see the formula. You can see the formula in the formula bar. Instead of doing this, we can go to the formula menu. We can see the formula oddity. You can click here, show formula. For this, instead of doing manually, we can have a shortcut control tilt formula. This is the function key which is available before the 1, before the serial number 1. So control tilt formula you can see here. This is the shortcut. Display the formula. So if you want to click here, you can see the formula here itself, or if you want to remove, you can click again, you can remove it. So what is the shortcut? Control tilt. So you can have the formulas. If you want to remove, control tilt. This is the formula. Number 2, control 1. So we can give like this. We cannot. This is correct, I think so. Number. If you want to use control plus 1, you can get the format cell. What is the format cell? We have to go to the home menu. If you want to use format cell, you can click here. You can get the format cell. This is one option. Another option, you can go here, home menu. You can see the format ribbon and then you can get the format cell. Second option, or you can use the shortcut key control plus 1. So control plus 1. If you want to change the number, alignment, font, border, whatever you want to change, you can use it here. This is the format cell. Suppose I want to change the color of the format, you can change the format by using a format cell. Number 2, if you want to make the letter bold, you can go to the home menu, you can click B, or you can have the another shortcut key control plus B. Control plus B. It is called bold. Now you can get another option control 2. Control 2 mean you can get the letter will be bold. Now you can click control 3 mean italic. Control 4 mean underline. Control 5 mean strike through. So we can have the shortcut for italic control I. Alternative shortcut control U for underline. So whatever you want to use, you can use control B or control 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, if you want to strike out, you can strike out control plus 5. Now, if you want to hide the row, suppose you want to select the row, if you want to hide, you can right click the data. I'm giving two options. You can hide the data. If you want to unhide, you can select the data and you can unhide the data. Or else you have to select the row, you can control 9. Control 9 will be the hide the row. This is a shortcut key. Now control 0. This is a 0. I'm giving you here control 0. If you want to hide the column, you can use control 0. Okay. So this is a shortcut key for control, hide the row and hide the column. Now, if you want to delete the selection, if you want to delete the entire row, if you want to delete particular selection, you can use control minus. Suppose if you want to delete this row, you can delete this. If you want to get it, control Z. Okay. So control minus is called delete the selection. Now, this is the data available. Okay. Now I want to copy the data here. Now I can copy this. Okay. So if you want to do where is the data available? If you want to know where is the data available, so control open bracket means this is the direct precedent, direct dependent, direct dependent. So the data is dependent on this data. Suppose if data is not available here, the answer will be 0 here. So the 30 rupees is get the link from this. So this 30 is dependent on this data. Clear? Suppose you have the data like that, bold. You have type it here. You can select the data. Now you can see control open bracket. Automatically it goes there because the data, this data is dependent on this data. If you delete this, automatically you will get 0. Clear? This is the direct dependent data. Now, if you want to insert the date, control colon. If you want to insert the current date, if you want to insert current date, you can get the option of control colon. If you want to know the timing, control full control semicolon, here control colon. Now we got the name. So we cannot give control colon directly, so that we have to type control shift colon. Suppose if you are using the desktop, you can use directly. Instead of, suppose if you are using laptop, mean you have to select control shift plus colon. Okay, this is the timing shortcut. If you want to insert the current date, if you want to insert the current time, you can use the shortcut. Okay friends, I hope this video is very useful to you all. Thank you for watching this video, friend. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.